Hey guys, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. Wanted to address a question that is coming up all the time, kind of a generic question. If my toilet is making noises, should I be concerned? Well, if your toilet's making noises, it's kind of like your toilet is talking to you and saying, hey, pay attention to me. That's what it's doing. If your toilet is making noises, it could be many things. It could be your tank seal flapper is wearing out and water seeping through from the tank to the bowl, causing a water loss. It could be the fill valve, which is part of the water delivery system. It could be the fill valve itself is failing. The diaphragm could be failing and water seeping through when it shouldn't. There's various issues that could be going on, but if it is making noises, definitely address it. I don't ever recommend for homeowners to do their own plumbing work, only because being in this industry for almost 20 years and showing up to homes and our technicians showing up to houses and seeing work that was done by the homeowner generally leads to further issues or incorrect repairs, so on and so forth. But theoretically, yes, if you are aware of what parts are needed, you have the correct part, the correct tools, and the knowledge and experience, you may try to service it on your own. But again, there's many questions to ask. How old is the toilet? Has it been serviced before? You know, do you like the toilet? Does it flush well? Maybe it makes more sense to replace it. I don't know. But definitely if it's making noises, you're probably going to notice a larger water bill at the end of the month. So again, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Rafi, Preferred Plumbing. All of our guys are just fantastic. We have a fantastic team. 905-597-8555. Please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.